Hello. I'm uploading a video because people have been nagging me to upload another video, so I'm uploading a video. Hi. I'm not sure what I'm going to talk about. I could talk about New Year's Eve, where I did magic at Spice Lodge in Cheltenham, because I'm awesome like that. Don't laugh. Around the tables doing magic for people, bumped into someone that I knew from school. Name will be not said. Sarah. I don't know Sarah. I don't know. I'm stuck for something to talk about. Went really well, and I did magic and I got paid and stuff, and it was really fun and stuff, and I got called back over to one table, so brilliant. Woo! I would talk about Martin Hord's 50th birthday party as well, but it was a while ago, so there's not really much point. I've also been reading a couple of Darren Brown things and watching Darren Brown and stuff, and he's really cool, and he's actually got a couple of mentalism things in his books, which are called Tricks of the Mind and Confessions of a Conjurer. Good luck finding them though, because, you know, I needed it. And I'm a magician. Actually, I might start calling myself a wizard with like 2 Z's, because Terry Pratchett has a wizard with 2 Z's called Rince Wind, and he's really cool and stuff. So I might call myself a wizard with 2 Z's. So yeah, I uploaded a video. You can shut up now, people who are nagging me. Naggy, nag. Oh yeah, and I've got a bow tie with dinosaurs on it. It's a stegosauri bow tie. Got a bow tie. And a parrot. It squawks up. Look.